this apartment, it's a perfect Airbnb. It is a beautiful apartment with a perfect location. Look at this, with the best view. The Il Duomo. The most beautiful cathedral there is. So come on, let's go out. Today we are exploring the city, but first we will start with the tower of the cathedral. So good morning. Let's head up in the tower. So in the middle of all these brown bricks here in Florence, you have this magnificent cathedral, Il Duomo, which is made from stone. And you can see here the colors are amazing, the details are absolutely fantastic. It's made from green, white and pink marble. It is absolutely gorgeous. So at the moment they are cleaning the cathedral. They have spent 2 years of cleaning just parts of it. I have no idea how long time they will use. But before that, you can see a little bit from one of the sides, the Duomo was quite black, and when they've cleaned it, all these beautiful colors are popping. Look at this front of this Il Duomo. So the name of this cathedral is Santa Maria del Fiore. So this is from the Renaissance, and on top of this one you have the greatest Duomo which is ever built on the top. So it's a fantastic engineering piece. This was built without drawings, and imagine that back in the day with all the stones, there was no lifts to lift the stones. It is a piece of art. So here you have the tower up here. We are going to the top. It's over 400 stairs to be climbing, so that will be today's workout. It will be the gluteus maximus that we are working out today. And look at those windows. Look at those big, huge windows, the round ones there. It is so pretty. I'm not sure what the front door here is made of, but it looks like, yeah, what does it look like? Looks like stone or some, I don't know, could be metal. Now we are entering the tower. So a good tip when you come here, don't bring a backpack because you cannot bring it upstairs. You have to put it away. So if you're here to line up, then yeah, don't bring it. So just after a few staircases, I can already feel it in my thighs. It's quite heavy. Look at the long stone staircase. So walking up the stairs here, you have this beautiful in the tower. So you have this deck where you can take a break and enjoy the view. Let's continue. So, the last one. Okay, now we are getting at the top. It is one more. Let's find the entrance. Hello? Here, You have it in the corner. Here's the entrance for the last floor. I think it's the last. We can see the end of it now. Just right there on top. Oh. Oh, here you have it. Let's just catch our breath because that was a heavy workout. So here you have the Duomo. Let me get my breath a little bit. So they started to build a cathedral in the 13th centuries. It took over 140 years to build this one. And the guy who designed and built the Duomo, which you can see here between those, his name was Brunelleschi. So it's a masterpiece to build this one. So as you can see all around, you have this brown brick buildings, and then this is really the heart of Firenze. So just let us have a walk around the tower, the hall, and get the beautiful view of the Firenze, and then we are heading back down on the ground floor. You can also enter the Duomo again up inside the Duomo. Make sure to buy your ticket early if you want to do that. But if you want to really see the Duomo, you have to go up in the tower. So down at the first round, so look at this beautiful tower with the bells. So climbing down the stairs is much more effortless than walking up. So, but it's quite narrow. A lot of people, you will for sure need to kind of squeeze yourself if someone is coming up and you're going down. Wow, and then when you come to this floor deck, you have this amazing view. Yeah, perfect. You need some sunglasses. So now we have been up in the tower and we have been inside Il Duomo, and we've seen it's an amazing building inside, very large, a lot of architecture and history. So we were there during the mass. Now we are headed down here for a market to grab some breakfast. So please tag along and let's see what exciting things we can find. I think someone wants to have a taste of the famous sandwiches with something specials from the inside of the cow. I think I go with a normal sandwich. just a tip for you, if you want to go inside the Duomo or go outside in the tower in the museum, we were here very early. You can see now that the place is packed with people. So, yeah. So that is my best tip. And be careful. There is a lot of people here, and make sure you have your pockets and your backpack protected a little bit. There's a lot of things happening also. There are scammers in the area. Where did he go? So I did not catch it on the camera, but they are putting paintings down on the pavement. So, and they make you step on it. So, and they want you to pay for it. So be careful. See where you're stepping.